Alright. So yeah, today Cheyenne has just gotten here. I just got her from her owners. Yeah. Yeah, the owners just left after us playing papers with Karen, who is our new stable hand. As you guys think of it, we just bought in Bloom, or YouTube Golden Staples, that has just been bought. Sorry, this is so, what do you call it? One of those things, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. The drone, oh yeah, the drone. The drone just went up into a tree, but it's pretty much okay now. It's going in, and so yeah, I just told her in. But yeah, 7 weeks, our flies must be coming. The same owner, the same places actually, but yeah. So yeah, then I just went into the stables. So yeah, I just put her in the cross ties when I gathered some papers, some of her papers, verification things as well. That just got shipped to me. Well, the owners it just got shipped to me a few minutes before the owners got here. So yeah, I just went ahead and made sure to upload those to the computer. But yeah, I do have a lot of horses. Yeah, but yeah, I do have a lot of horses coming and things like that. Because I am a very, very good potential player, and so yeah, if I do reach out to you, don't worry. You also may be wondering where Dakota is. Dakota is out in the field. She already went home. Her parents live in Silverglade. Right now, Emily is at Millvale for a little while with her parents, visiting some family members, her grandparents. But yeah, she will be back very, very soon. Because also, yeah, but you'll see all of us probably on May 22nd, which is also when Firefly's getting here, and we'll also be meeting Cheyenne, and you guys will be meeting Dakota and her horse, and things like that. Also, we'll probably be going back to SEC for the time. Well, like, I'm still managing SEC, so I will be there most of the time. But as well as here, Blue and Soccer are still here, or are here. Dakota has been taking care of them very well, and riding them around. Lacey got back, which is an amazing thing. She was just getting used to there because in the future I'm taking her there. and hopefully I might read her. Depends, but yeah.